Welcome to my world.
Hey there, I am Mukesh. In this video, we are going to see how we can make these RGB tube lights. These tube lights can be used in photography, light painting photography, film making. As mood lamps, we can connect them to our PC and make them react to music, videos, games and more. For this project, we require these white LED tube lights, or you can take this aluminum light fitting. WS2812B LED strip, a Arduino Nano, a 5V 5A power supply with DC connectors, some multicolor wires, and a push button. First of all, I have took the LED tube light and removed the end caps. The tube light which I bought has the diffuser and the body as a single piece. So with the help of box cutter, I made the cut on tube light. Now remove the white LED strip from the tube light. We can use this strip for any other purpose. Make all the connections as shown in circuit diagram and put everything in the tube. Here I have used this connector. This connector comes with RGB LED strip. With the help of cello tape, I have sealed the cut which I have made earlier. Put the Arduino inside the tube and glue it. Now put back the end caps. Similarly, I have made one more tube, but this time I have only used wires and the connector. Now connect the tubes. Plug in the power supply and connect the Arduino to your PC. I have used these clips to mount the tube lights onto the wall. These clips came along with the tube lights. Now download the zip files that are given in the description below. Extract the zip files and open the given code in Arduino IDE. In this code, we require Fast LED library, which you can install from Sketch, Include library, Manage library. Search for Fast LED library and install it. Here you have to define the number of LEDs. In my case, I am using 130 LEDs, that is 65 plus 65 LEDs. Now define the data pin. As per the circuit diagram, the data pin is 3. Now select the board type. Select the port. Also remember the port number. We will require the port number later. Now upload the code. After the code is successfully uploaded, install the Prismatic software. Once the software is installed, open the software. Once you click on the icon, the software runs automatically in the background. To open the software, click it again. Click on Device, Run Configuration. Here you have to enter the port number. You can choose the color order. Here you have to enter the number of LEDs on the sides. On the top side we have 0 LED, on the bottom side we have 0 LED, on the left side we have 65 and on the right side we have 65 LEDs. So enter 65 and click on Custom. We can change the sequence of LEDs by selecting the invert order or by dragging the LED numbers wherever you want. Now click on Next. Now we have to play with these sliders in order to get satisfactory white color. Now click on Finish. Now open the software again. By default, the mode of the software is set to screen grabbing mode. The screen grabbing mode is nothing but whatever the color is on the screen is replicated on the tube lights. In the mode section, we also have mood lamp and sound visualization. Now download the zip file which is named as button tube. This code allows us to change the colors of the tube light with the push of the button without any requirement of PC. Open the button tube code in Arduino IDE. We have already installed Fast LED library. To install the push button library, go to Sketch, Include Library, Add Zip File Library. Select the zip named push button which is present in the button tube file. Here I have already installed this library. In this code you have to define the LED pin, number of LEDs and the button pin. As per the circuit diagram, the LED pin is 3, the button pin is A0 and the number of LEDs is how many LEDs you have used. In this code, I have made 7 modes, in which 5 of them are static color modes and 2 of them are scrolling color modes. You can change the static colors by changing the RGB color value. Now select the board type. Select the port and upload the code. Also, you can try range of examples from past LED library examples. We can make these lights portable by using a power bank and this cable. This cable I have made by joining a DC connector to a USB cable. Or you can use few of these batteries. By using any Wi-Fi board as ESP8266 or ESP32, we can control the color of the light by a mobile app. In the description, I will put a link to a video where it shows how to control RGB lights using a mobile app. I hope you have liked this project. If so, make sure to hit that like button, share and subscribe. If you have any issue in making this project, feel free to comment down or DM me on Instagram at mukesh.diy. If you make this project, then post on Twitter or Instagram and tag me over there. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you next time.